into each other.
Well, looks like we've already lost the couch. And there goes the rest of the living room. And this is going to be a real problem for the jammers back here because the back of the field's about to catch them. And we've already got trailers skidding all over the place here. Look out! Wow! Oh, there goes a boat. Okay, this is about to get really interesting really quick.
Oh, the big thing. Oh, no. Oh, I wish I could see what's going on.
So we got a boat left out of the racing surface. Oh, something resembling a boat. A smaller boat. Looks like we got one casualty down the inside of turns 1 and 2. Oh, wait a minute, we're pushing the motor home now. The boat's tipping, boat's tipping.
Oh, the boat! Not yet!
There goes the boat. Anyone want to buy a boat cheap? Got one for sale. Only got a couple of holes. You can patch it up. I can't believe that motorhome is still attached right now.
Not yet.
All right, 6 complete. I believe the number 2 is the winner right now. I can tell you that's Joe Horvatis, I believe, that's driving the motorhome.
I think Joey's the only one who's got anything attached still. Well, at least he wins something.
Now the 2's got a flat. Kevin's got, like, hardly anything left. I think Kevin Grom just took the lead with the 93. He's got something left on the back end of that.
That's okay though. The boat doesn't have the
Here comes.
Oh my God!
To the middle. Now Kevin's still got something left to a trailer. He's got one bar hanging off the back of that puppy, and it's still attached. He's going to come around here for the white flag. The number 2 is giving up the ghost. They're trying to put that motorhome, the old pit maneuver. I don't know if that's going to work. And here comes the winner, and it will be Kevin Grom who will win the Pirate Trailer Race. So Kevin Grom wins with one bar left of his trailer. Here come the rest of the finishers. Hang on, we're not done yet.